Gorgeous turnkey furnished former developer model townhome. This light and bright 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath Santa Maria floor plan boasts granite counters with single kitchen sink, stainless steel appliances, crown molding, Prewired Security Alarm, soft close cabinets, electric screens on Lanai, impact glass, and comes with a private car garage. This townhome is on the quad. The advantage of quad living is the convenience of walking out of the back of your home to enjoy the private free-form pool, lush tropical landscaping, and barbecue areas that is exclusive to the owners in this quad. The village center's outstanding amenities include an English pub, bistro, ice cream parlor, internet cafe, resort-style pool, fitness center, 90-seat movie theater, cozy library and computer lab, basketball, bocce ball, and tennis. Live the Ole lifestyle.